7 trainees na ang pumasok sa ating top 14. Ngayon, 7 pa sa natita ng 17 boys ang i-reveal para ituloy ang kanilang journey to the top.
Alam ko na iisa lang ang goal nyo, tumuloy ang journey nyo to the top. Only 14 will make it to the top, and to make this more interesting and important, we got very important persons in your life to make the announcement. Manood kayo.
He always wants to improve his craft because he wants to make the people happy. He wants to share his talent. He's very generous with his time and his talent. Congratulations, brother!
Siya kasi yung pinaka-balladeer ng group namin. Parang siya yung pinakamataas na boses na nare-reach ng tone. Tapos tandaan mo na lagi nakasuporta yung T3 Production and family. Yung mga friends mo, lahat nandyan para suportahan ka.
Sa bahay, ganun lang. Nagtitingka siya, nag-play siya ng guitar, naglalagay siya ng mga cover niya sa sarili sa YouTube. This is a dream come true for you. Congratulations, anak. I love you so much. We are so proud of you.
Pag siya ay nasa bahay, yun lang hawak niya, kakapasya ng kanta, makukuha niya kaagad. Kaya so nakita ko sa kanya yung pagiging singer niya. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung hilig mo sa pagiging singer. Go mo lang, push mo lang yan, kaya mo yan.
Congratulations, Mark. Alam namin kaya mo yan.
Ito na to na, yung hirap, yung pagod, yung puyat tuwing nag-audition tayo. This time, ito na.
Hindi na ako nagtataka kung bakit he made it this far. Kasi sobrang dedicated siya. Tsaka gusto talaga niya itong. Congratulations, Joseph.
Alam ko, kaya mo yan. May tiwala kami sa'yo. Maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Good luck. We love you. Alam mo yan.
Congratulations. Top 14.
On behalf of everyone, we salute you and we thank you for giving it your very best, and we wish you the best of luck.
Your journey will continue, the 14. It's a tough journey. Kasi hanggang ngayon kami, ganun pa rin. Nagtatrabaho, hindi natatapos ang pagpapagaling ng craft. We welcome you. We congratulate you. Congratulations.
Presenting the top 14.